Since starting my first dropshipping store all the way back in 2017, there has never been an easier and more profitable online business method that you can follow right now to start making your first sales every single day. And right now in this video, more specifically, I'm going to show you how to dropship digital products by using artificial intelligence to get started today. And basically everything I know and have learned about AI has come from this newsletter called syntheticmind.io. I'm gonna put a link in the description. It's a free newsletter they send every week about what's going on in the space. And no, I don't own it, but it is super, super cool. And if you wanna learn more about this stuff, I recommend it. What's going on? Tanner here with another video. I hope you're having an amazing and productive day so far. If you don't know who I am, I'm 21 years old, I live in Puerto Rico, and I run a couple different 7-figure e-commerce businesses. And I've been documenting my business journey on this YouTube channel ever since 2017. And what I said in the beginning of this video is absolutely true, which is that I have never seen an easier to start and more profitable e-commerce method than digital dropshipping. And normally the process someone would take to start dropshipping digital products would be to choose a niche, to go ahead, come up with a product idea, source that product, make a logo, make a store, all the graphics, and then start doing organic marketing to make your first sales without having to spend any money on ads. Now, that process is cool, but I wanted to make this special video because there are 4 very unique artificial intelligence tools that I've found that can help you shortcut this process and start your own digital dropshipping store today. And that is where you sell products that can instantly be delivered to your customers. But you don't have to be an expert or you don't have to be a guru. Instead, you can use PLR content, or more importantly for this video, I'm gonna show you a couple different alternative routes you can take to get your digital product ready to sell today without having to make it yourself. The first artificial intelligence tool I recommend for you is Chat GPT. You may have heard of this recently, and what it is a dialogue-based AI. And instead of just having fun and asking it random questions, I would be using it to actually help me shortcut the process to starting my own digital dropshipping business. And the way you do that with Chat GPT is by asking it of ideas for digital product niches.
Wow.
And more specifically, you can ask it to give you ideas that relate to pain points, things in health, wealth, happiness, relationships. It's going to give you a ton of great ideas that will help you choose the niche for your digital dropshipping store. Because for digital dropshipping, you don't want to just have a fitness store that sells fitness guides or meal plans. Instead, you want to make your digital products cater towards a specific group of people. As an example, instead of selling broad digital products for fitness people that want to lose weight, I would instead make fitness related digital products that help a specific group of people, such as busy entrepreneurs who don't have time to cook. And once you use ChatGPT to get an idea of the niche you want to sell in, you can ask ChatGPT, what is the target audience for that market? Who are the type of people in that audience? And then from there, you can ask it specifically, what are some digital product ideas for X, this specific niche? And it's going to give you all these different digital product ideas. Now, for example, if it's a cookbook for busy entrepreneurs, you can even use ChatGPT to provide you the basis for a digital product that you can start selling, which could be recipes, meal plan calculators, all these different great things that you can get specifically from this AI and then turn it into a very valuable digital product that you can sell instantly over and over and over without ever having to ship a physical product. So once you get over choosing a niche and a product, those are the hardest things for digital dropshipping. Now we get into the fun stuff. The second artificial intelligence tool you can use in this process is Logo AI. Now, you can even ask ChatGPT for different name ideas for your digital dropshipping store, and it'll give you a ton of ideas. And once you have that name, you can take it over to Logo AI, input that data, and it's going to ask you a couple quick questions that will then generate a ton of different logo ideas so that you don't have to hire a graphic designer, make a logo yourself, and spend a bunch of time on it. Instead, you can use this AI to pretty much instantly generate a bunch of logo ideas where you can pick out the one you like to use on your own store. And when starting digital dropshipping, I recommend using Shopify to host your store because it's going to be the simplest to get started with. And what you can do is add your logo onto there, plug in your digital product, product, and then start asking Chat GPT to write your product descriptions. And now maybe you want to add some really cool images to your store before you start marketing. And that is where the third artificial intelligence tool for dropshipping comes in, which is DialE. It's from the same creators as the dialogue for Chat GPT, but what this allows for you to do is put in a specific input. Let's say, for example, Mickey Mouse sitting on a beach drinking a slushie. 3D render. I could put that in there and it's going to create a one-off specific image. And these are very, very unique and the opportunities are essentially endless. Again, I'm gonna put the link for all of these in the description below. Now, once you have your digital product ready to sell, you know who you're selling it to, you have your store ready, don't overthink it, get analysis paralysis. Instead, just get it ready to go, because the fun part that you need to focus on is the marketing. How are you actually going to get people to purchase this product? And that's where organic marketing comes in. I really honestly just love to use TikTok and Instagram Reels to start off, because there's a lot of potential right now in the algorithms to get views for free, engagement for free, ultimately sending people to our website and eventually buying our products. That's the objective, where we don't have to spend a ton of money on paid ads to start. Instead, we use these platforms to, one, test content and see which may perform best so that we can use it for paid ads in the future. But you're probably wondering, what am I actually going to be posting? And there are a couple different routes. What I recommend doing is going back to Chat GPT, going in there, and then what you're gonna be able to do is ask it to make a few different hook ideas about your specific niche for short form social media videos. It's gonna give you a list of hooks, such as, I bet you've never seen this before, or here are 3 ways to do X. Those are examples of hooks, the first few seconds of your short form videos. And then you can take those hooks and then again ask Chat GPT, hey, can you give me 4 script ideas for a short form video that talks about how to meal prep even when you're super busy as an entrepreneur? It's gonna write out a script. And then what you can do is use the 4th artificial intelligence tool here in this video, which is Resemble. And what this is allows for you to create specific voiceovers with dialects, different languages, emotions, whatever you choose to do, and voice over these videos on TikTok and on Instagram Reels, where you are talking about your specific product to the people you're solving the problem for, all pretty much using AI. And if you really wanted to, you could literally get your own digital dropshipping store up and running today, the same day you're watching this video right now. But that's only if you don't make excuses, because while you wait for tomorrow to do it, someone else is doing it right now. And maybe they're taking your idea. So if you want to start right now, I highly recommend it. While it's simple, while AI is making this easier and easier, and you have the advantage. In any type of business, when you have the advantage, that's when you start right now. So if you want to learn more about digital dropshipping, or you have any questions, there is a link in the description for our free Discord. There are almost 8,000 people in there, and we do a lot of super cool stuff. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a big like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.